Hi children and viewers. In previous video I explained about what is lateral shift, how we can find out the lateral shift by using one activity. I clearly explained that. So up to now you didn't see that one. I will provide the link of that video in this description, so you must watch it. In this video I am going to explain about the one more interesting topic that is activity to find refractive index of a glass slab by using vertical shift. Activity to find refractive index of a glass slab by using vertical shift. That is the topic here, children. So the main thing is, by doing one activity you have to find out the vertical shift. By taking that vertical shift we have to go for now finding the refractive index of glass slab. So children, watch the video carefully, don't skip the video while watching. So here children, general we have formula is there, refractive index of a glass slab is equals to thickness of a glass slab by thickness of glass slab minus vertical shift. So by using this formula we are going to find out the refractive index of a glass slab. What is the formula, children? Thickness of a glass slab by thickness of a glass slab minus vertical shift. So in this one we know that if we can take a glass slab we can easily find out the thickness by using a scale or vernier scale or vernier calipers. We will find out the thickness of a glass slab very easily. Then here what about the vertical shift? So you have to know about the vertical shift. For that we have to do one activity. Children, refractive index of prism should be measured by using the formula of refractive index of glass slab is equals to thickness of a glass slab by thickness of glass slab minus vertical shift. So here now I would like to explain about the activity to find out the vertical shift of the glass slab. For that what we have to do, just we have to discuss about that one. Here to do this activity some apparatus are required. The first thing is drawing board and glass slab and pins, and fourth one chart, and fifth one scale, and sixth one protractor. So here these the materials are required to do the activity: drawing board, glass slab, pins, chart, scale, and protractor. So by using this material we have to find out the vertical shift of the glass slab. So children, the first thing is we have to take one drawing board. This is just imagine now it is a drawing board. On the drawing board we have to fix one chart. Clear, children? So this one is what? Drawing board, and this one is what? Chart. And now here the chart can be fixed with help of drawing pins. And after that here now we have to keep some A slab should be like this. So now this is the slab. So now the slab should be placed on the sheet, and again we have to draw the boundaries like this. Clear? Same thing what I was explained in the previous activity, the same thing. First we have to take a drawing board. On the drawing board we have to fix the one paper sheet or paper chart, and in the middle what you have to keep, we have to keep one glass slab. What we have taken, that should be placed. Already the thickness of the glass slab is measured and that should be noted. After keeping the glass slab, you have to trace out the boundaries. So now here, so we are taking like this. These are the reference now here. Clear? And after that you have to give the names for vertices like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that. We have to give the names. So that's the first thing. First thing what it is, we have to take the one glass slab. On already told you what is that. For example, this is the glass slab. First we have to find out the thickness. So this is the thickness here. We have to find out the thickness with the help of a vernier calipers or ordinary scale. The thickness is going to be measured and that should be noted. Clear? After that, what you have taken, we have to take some drawing board, we have to take in that, and on that what you have to take, we have to fix the one paper chart, and at the four corners we have to fix the pins. Then the position of the paper chart is, it is fixed on the drawing board, and after that what you have to say, we have to keep the glass slab on the middle of the chart, and again we have to trace out the boundaries by using the pencil or a pen. And after tracing out that one, we can find like that. We are giving the names as vertices for A, B, C, D, like that. So this is the initial steps involved in the activity. So now here I am drawing only the glass slab. I am going to draw here. Very easy activity, children. No need to confuse. Simply here you have to observe what I am telling there. Here now. So just imagine, now this board is the one chart. On that chart we have kept some glass slab. Now this is the, I am going to keep some glass slab. So this is now here glass slab. Clear now? This is the glass slab. Clear? On that boundary here I am taking some boundaries like this. Here of tracing now, trace out the boundaries. Here already we are given some names like some A, B, C, D, like that, E, F, G, H already. So now this body is the one paper sheet, and we place some glass slab, and the glass slab should be placed on the paper sheet and boundaries are traced. After that we have to remove that one. We have to remove the glass slab. Already we have only boundaries. Then after that, by taking the protractor, we have to draw the one normal line. We have to draw the one normal line. Clear, children? So after drawing the normal line, here now we have to again place the glass slab as it is. The boundaries and the edges of the glass slab must be coincide. Clear? After keeping the glass slab on the middle of the paper or chart, we have to trace out the boundaries of the glass slab. It's very clear, children. After that we have to give the names for vertices, and after that you have to remove the glass slab and that should be kept aside. And after that, by taking the protractor, by taking the, for example here I am taking like this. Now this is the, I am showing like this. We have to keep some protractor and we have to draw one normal with an angle of 90 degrees. So already we are drawing some normal line there, that should be on chart is there. Now again you have to keep the glass slab as it is. Initially we are kept the glass slab and boundaries we are drawn, and after that again we are removing that. Again we are taking the protractor. With the help of protractor we have to draw the one normal line. After drawing the normal line, what you have to observe, again we have to replace the glass slab as it is. Initially how it is, we should keep like that. That means the edges of the glass slab should be coincide with the boundaries of the glass slab. Boundaries of the glass slab. That's why here, children, so after that here you have to fix one pin should be like this. Now at this position P, I am saying now this is the position P. At this point here we fix one pin like this. It is not vertically, we have to keep like this along the length of the slab. Along the length of the slab we have to keep some as like this. So we have to keep fixed like this. So after that, children, on the other side of glass slab what you have? Pin it is there. Clear? Now from this side we have to observe. Children, just imagine if this one is, for example here I have one textbook, it is there. Now this is the one glass slab. This is the one glass slab and this is the thickness of the glass slab here. This is the thickness, and now here I am keeping one pin on the perpendicular line. That should be clear. Now I want to see like this. So from this side, on this side I kept the needle like this, and from the other side we have to observe with our eye like this. With our naked eye we have to observe the needle or point or that ball point pin from through the glass slab from other side. Simply here this is the glass slab. After that what you have, one needle is or one ball point pin, one pin is fixed here. That should be at that point what is a, that is P. Now we want to examine or we want to find out the image of the needle or that pin, particular pin through the glass slab. Then where we are finding the glass slab, there we have to fix another pin. That means here while we are observing these two pins through the glass slab, in the glass slab there should be seams like this. Got my point, children? Actually where we are observed, initially one pin is on the line, and by seeing the same pin through the glass slab from another side of the glass slab with our eye, while we are watching that one particular pin, you have to close your eye, one of the eye completely, and you have to keep your other eye very close to the glass slab. Then by seeing the image of that particular pin inside the glass slab, and where you are finding in opposite to that, you have to keep some other pin. While watching these two, this is the first pin and this is the second pin. Before already without watching, we are set at one point, at that point we are kept some pin, and after that what you have to observe, we are watching the pin through the glass slab. And after that again, while we are watching that, where we are finding the point or pin, there we have to keep another pin. So when there seems to be like here, while we are observing after fixing the second pin, if you can watch again continuously, we will find that they both are at the same level through the glass slab. While we are watching through the glass slab, almost all both are appears to be at the same height or same line, straight line. Why? Because while we are finding the image of this particular pin, in front of that only we are keeping the another pin. That's why while watching these 1 and 2 through the glass slab, they seems to be like in straight line. Once you can remove the glass slab, there should be again like this. That means both are not in the same straight line. Got my point, children? Already keeping the glass slab, the boundaries are traced. After that we are removing that one. Again with the help of protractor we are drawing one normal line, and after that we are keeping the glass slab, and on that normal line at point P you have to fix one pin. Up to here very clear? Yes. After that we want to see the pin through the glass slab. If it is the glass slab, we want to find like this. So when we are finding the, or we want to view the image of this particular one through the glass slab, already we are observing the another side of the glass slab, then what you have to say, we will find the image, and that image should be, we are finding on somewhere, where we are finding that, there we have to keep one glass, here we are keeping some other second pin. After that we are watching these two, they should be seems like straight, and after that we are just relaxing, and after that we are removing the glass slab. Then what you have to observe, children, then one pin is, we are finding where, image what we are writing here, glass slab, and another should be in air, another should be in air. So the second is not inside the glass slab, but one should be in, the first in must be forms the image in inside the glass slab, that's why it is in glass, and one should be in air. Clear, children? So when again you can replace the glass slab, and again you can watch, both should be seems to be like straight. Okay, and again you are removing, they are not seems to be in, both are in straight line. Got this point, children? So after that here, now you have to draw one line, normal line onto this particular perpendicular line. From second point here, this is the, we are drawing like this. From second position to we are drawing one line onto the perpendicular line. So at this point of intersection, we are taking the one point, that should be here Q. Clear, children? So now this point is Q and this point is P, and now the distance between these two is called here vertical shift. What's that? Vertical shift. So by using some scale, we have to find out the distance. For example, here the PQ is some 4.5, like that here. Just example I am telling, 4.5 centimeters. Now this 4.5 centimeters is called vertical shift. Vertical shift. So in this way we will find out the vertical shift. See once again, children, procedure. First we have to take the one drawing board. On the drawing board we have to fix the one paper, and we have to fix the 4 drawing pins at the 4 corners, and after that we have to keep the glass slab, and we are keeping the glass slab, and after that we are traces the boundaries. After traces the boundaries, we have to give the names for vertices like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that. So after that you have to remove the glass slab, and by keeping the protractor you are drawing the one normal line. Clear? You are drawn one normal line. After drawing the normal line, again you have to keep the glass slab on the same boundaries as these, both should be must be coincide. That means the edges of the glass slab and boundaries must be coincide. After coincide that, on one particular point, the point must be selected on the normal line what we are drawn here. So for example, this is the normal line we are drawn. On that one point we have selected that point P. At that point P we have to fix the one pin that should be perpendicular to the normal line, like this. Clear? And that should be parallel to the length of the glass slab. After that we have to observe the image of the first one through the glass slab. The image of the glass slab should be the image of the pin should be viewed through the glass slab, and where we are finding that in opposite to that one, I mean just in front of that, we have to give some other second pin that should be here. So one pin image should be inside the glass, and already one pin is another, that means in air. So that's why here after removing the glass slab, children, first we have taken this is the pin on the line, and after that we are viewing through the glass slab, and where we are finding the image, in front of that we have to keep some other second pin. So while we are watching through the glass slab, then 1 and 2 both should be in a straight line. So we will find like this, both are the same heights. So but if you can remove that, both are not in the same line, and we have to draw the one line like this. So that is onto the perpendicular line first what we are drawn, and after that here where the point is intersection, this is the what this normal line and this normal line should be intersected at this point. That point is called here Q. Now the distance between P and Q is what we call vertical shift. Vertical shift. By using the scale we will find out the vertical shift. So after finding the vertical shift, already starting of this video I told you there is one formula for refractive index of glass slab. What it is that? Refractive index of glass slab. What is the formula? Thickness of glass slab by thickness of glass slab by thickness of glass slab by thickness of glass slab minus vertical shift. So already in that activity what you find, its value is almost 4.5 centimeters. Already starting off the activity, what you have to find out? Thickness of glass slab. Thickness of glass slab. So like this children, so when we know idea about the thickness of the glass slab and vertical shift, we can easily find out the refractive index of glass slab. So children, this is a very simple activity to find out the refractive index of a glass slab. I hope you understand. If you can understand this one, like, share, comment the video and subscribe my channel to get the latest notifications. We will meet in the next video with some other interesting topic. Bye. Take care.